even when they're dead, they give me the absolute shivers down my spine, like they're going to spring to life and get me. I cannot deal. It's big, that is. Yeah. Rat aside, me and Beau, well, oh my gosh. Rat aside, me and Beau have decided that we will plant some of the potatoes. Come round the little fencey bit then. The potato, yeah, you can come in. The potatoes. Charlotte's first earlies. Yeah, you know how to get in, babe. So we're going to plant a few of those. I have been waiting for my sister, but she's been poorly. So I'm sorry, Georgia. We are going to start without you. We all know by now that I'm a little bit determined this year to try and basically make myself a flower farmer next. So I thought I'd start with flowers that I can dry. So straw flowers, and as you can see, I've actually got some germination occurring. Let me just try and tilt the camera down. I'm very, very, very pleased with that. Come on, Beau. You can. Got some collies germinating. There's another one coming through there. Everything is looking positive at the moment. There's something else. What we got here, honey sweet peas. She'll be thrilled with that. We just want to go crazy with the flowers this year. We were trying to chit them. I mean, they are growing. The smallest little chits. Chitty now. But yeah, let's just get them in the ground. Get some things growing. So it's this area here that we use for our potatoes. Last year I stopped about there with potatoes and went on into leeks and onions. However, this year I'm asking Croc to extend the patch even further. That's all just clay. The grass never really grows that great. Well, it does in the summer, but it's always really boggy in the winter. So I'm just going to go out as far as I'm allowed. And I'm just going to carry my potatoes first earlies, second whatever, main crop. I want loads. I want to try and harvest enough spuds to store and take us through winter. Mission on, self-sufficient 2025. Let's go then, Beau. We'll start by removing this, I think. Problem is that at the moment that the chickens love it up here. I did have this chicken wire all round. It's flimsy. It's really flimsy, and I've trodden it that many times, and so have we, that we've just trodden it down. So we'll have to think of another plan. I was thinking perhaps to leave the sheeting over until, what is that, a mole? Leave the sheeting over until, no, just poop, until they sprout through. But we're just going to go for it, aren't we, Beau? Yeah. Get Daddy to perhaps put us up something a bit more substantial. Shall I dig the holes and you put the potatoes in? Would that be a good plan? Yeah? Oh no, Mummy will dig the holes, darling. What? I'll dig the holes, you see. So I've got to bear in mind I had some rhubarb there that might come up. So yeah. We'll start here. A bit further back. I'll dig a little hole. Okay. I planted potatoes with my dad when I was younger, and he sort of dug like a trench. But I'm going for the no-dig gardening, aren't I? So I think this is sort of the way to do it. Well, I hope it is. And if it's not, then I'm sorry, planet Earth. Right, if you just put one potato in each hole, that would be really, really helpful. Okay? What I would try and do is do it. Now, do the chicks go up or down? They're the roots, aren't they, I suppose? So yeah, put the chits down. So those little bobbly bits, put them down. Maybe we should just quickly Google that. Go for it, mate. Just one. Oh man, my hair's driving me nuts. Yeah, that's fantastic. There's loads of worms in here. That's what we want. Rangers in. Yeah. So I'll dig the holes, you put them in. Just one in each hole, mate. With the chicks facing down, I think we said.
This one in there.
I'm not precious about spacing these out. I'm going to water them plenty. If you look very closely there, my boy, you're going to see a tato.
Yeah.
We'll plant him back in. You put the plants in. You put the potatoes in then. I'm going to go across.
What?
So if you come behind me, we'll work as a little train. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And we need to be quick, don't we? Because we've got to go and get the things for pancakes.
Yeah. How?
Who loves pancakes?
Hunter.
And who else?
Hunter.
Hunter.
Yeah. Honey.
And who else?
Bear.
So many worms in here.
Yeah. That's a big hole.
It's a big wormy. They've all shot back in now. You can just see them going back into the soil. It's great. There was nothing up here before.
It's a big one.
Full of water, isn't it? Can we just do one potato per hole, mate? You what, sweetheart? You snapped it. There's the one in there, yeah.
I will fit this one.
Will you? That's good.
Wow!
Oh, loads of wormies.
Yeah. What?
Look, potatoes. We missed potatoes last year.
Uh-oh.
They look like lovely ones, nice buttery ones. You hold them.
One.
Get one then.
Got one.
You make a little pile over there.
Yeah.
Over there. Make a little pile, yeah.
And the toe. And this one. And not this one, Mummy.
You want to dig a hole?
Yeah.
Okay.
A room in there.
There was. Go on then, you do a hole there.
Mummy.
Go for it, darling. I'll back in one sec. You dig the hole. So the chits actually go down. The chits do not go, no, the chits go up. The chits go up. The chits, oh, for crying out loud. The chits go up. So the chits are the sprouts that actually come up out of the soil. Have I already covered that one over? Beau, you're confusing me beyond belief, my boy. So the chits are actually what come up. They are the sprouts. We haven't got amazingly big chits on these. I am not precious. I'm just praying for the best. I mean, it did say on the internet chitting is not necessary. Lots of people do it to get ahead basically, but I'm not. I'm not going to cry about it. I want to get them in, so I think they're going to do just fine, aren't they? I'm sorry, babe. So the chits are up, so shall we try and turn those ones around before we cover them over? Chitty chitty bang bang. Oh, you got yourself a little wormy. He's nice. I mean, I've planted potatoes loads of times before and I've never been technical about it, and we've always done all right. The only thing we struggled with the one year was like scabby skin, and I believe that was from inconsistent watering. With all these kids that I kept popping out, I was probably just had a baby or something and just hadn't watered them. I'm sorry. Let's just get them in the ground, my boy. They're not tomatoes. Right, I'm going to step back a little bit here because we have got a little bit far away from the fence. Can you hear that noise? Yeah. Did you hear that, Beau? Yeah. That was Marshall.
That was Marshall?
Yes. You can do some digging in just a minute, my boy. Okay? Happy? Now what's that racket coming from over there? They're coming for the worms, boy. The chicks are coming for the wormies. Kick them off. Say, go away. Not sure what's so rock hard there. Feels like a brick. I'll put one in anyway, see how it gets on. Pardon? They're actually doing a really good job because they're scratching at the weeds. They're getting all... So at the moment, they're all right. The chickens. But when they're... You got mussels?
Yeah.
Okay, would you like to do the digging then? Is that what you're saying? Look, there's another potato. Sliced him in half. We need a better harvest set up next year. One, two, three. So where are we at? Thanks, dude. You're so clever, thank you. root system. I'm putting them potatoes in. Oh my goodness, do you know what we did? We planted the exact, we dug the exact correct. Well, no, we dug the exact amount of holes that we needed. Oh, is there already one in there? No. Right then. Do you want to put them to sleepy then? Yeah. You want to send them nice? Yeah. I'll keep the egg boxes because we'll try and chip the next potatoes in those. Pop those on there. Okay. So if you just go like this, babe, what you need to do is you need to cover the potatoes back over. So if you just go like that, yeah, and knock it all in, try and break it up so it's not so hard for them to get through. And I'll do it with my feet. Yeah? Are we working as a team? Are we working together? Woo! Oh. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Are you picking up those potatoes you found or not? No. Okay, babe. So, those are planted. Are there any more of those Charlotte potatoes? No. And there we have it. We have planted those. In fact, I'm just going to go and check there's no more. You okay? You know, are you a boy? No. Are you a licky boy? No. A little boy? No. What are you then? A bird. You're a boy? Yeah. You are a boy. Kiss. Oh, remember to look after those. Yeah. Are we done? I'm putting the sheet over. If it's a bad idea, let me know. It just seems like the rats can't dig it up. I know exactly where I've planted to. Hold on a minute. There we go. Cover it over. Could you get me the bricks? Are you strong? Like King Kong? That's perfect. We know exactly where we've planted to as well. Yeah, babe. I pushed you. Sorry, I didn't even see you there. You can go dig down there, yeah? Oh, I think that is a good idea. We'll see, won't we? None of this is a test. It's all a learning curve. Put all the bricks back on the... This area is not so bad. I don't mind that not being covered for a while. Dee. Good job done. Shall we go and have a drink and go to the shop then? And that's us done. That's us done, isn't it, Bye? We've planted our potatoes. Good job, mate. You've done a great job. Thank you.